Oh yes, oh yes.
Are you supposed to use this on falsies or like on your lashes?
Packaging is absolutely beautiful. If you are a pink, whoa, but I did not drop it. Yeah, it's just you and me. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Amy. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a small unboxing slash review on a new, small but growing black female owned business called Vanai Eve Beauty. Special thank you to Vanai Eve Beauty for sending me these products. This is actually my cousin's new business, so of course you know we gotta show love and support the cause. You should too. I'm also gonna briefly tell you about two other small female black owned businesses that you should check out that I definitely have been loving lately. I'm gonna leave all the links down below, so if that interests you in any way, then please keep on watching the video and let's get into this. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. Yes, let me give you some background. The owner's name is Devonay. Very young, 26-year-old, get into the bag, entrepreneur boss lady. I believe Vanai Eve Beauty came out October 12th of this year, 2020. So it's really actually new, but it's growing very fast. I'm really proud of her accomplishments so far. Oh, it's like so pretty. I don't even want to cut it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I didn't even... Wow. It says Vanai Eve Beauty. So to continue on with the backstory, Devonay had a younger sister and her name was Vanai, who was also my cousin. And Vanai unfortunately passed away at 15, and I believe this was now 4 years ago. So basically Devonay wanted to do something to help keep Vanai's memory alive, and she did it through a beauty company she started because Vanai was a very beautiful chocolate girl. And not only was she beautiful on the outside, but she was also very beautiful on the inside. She was like one of the most positive people I ever knew. I miss her a whole lot. I'm really happy that she made this company because I feel like this is a perfect way to keep her memory alive, because everybody, sad as it may seem but true, will die someday, but the things you leave behind will be forever, I guess, in a sense. So she kind of basically like left a footprint. So I mean, it may look all nice and cute in a sec to y'all, which it is, but like to me it actually like it means a lot, because it's also like symbolism, because this is somebody that I knew. I mean, I grew up with. Okay, let me get into it because I don't want to start crying, because I'm gonna just start having memories of her, and then we're gonna have to cut the film. We have Vanai Eve Beauty in black and pink, and it has a little butterfly, which is really cute. I mean, I don't know how she got all of this customized, but this is so bomb. Even the wrapping paper has Vanai Eve Beauty. First thing you see is the business card. Ooh, enjoy 15% off your next order with code VANAI44. Aw, that was her basketball number. Okay. Alright, that's fine. Anyone else like the decorations of like boxing, gifts, or like PR packages? Ooh, okay, so we have a pair of lashes. How adorable is that? Ooh, this looks lush. It's rose gold. It's the things that help you put the eyelash on. Eyelash tweezers, I think that's what they're called. Look how pretty that is. The rose gold, the reflective. It also has the logo on it, which is so cute. I just love everything down to the detailing of this. Ooh, I got an eyelash curler. I've never had one of these. Oh yes, here we go. State of the art, you know what I'm saying? Top notch, 10 out of 10. Definitely would recommend eyelash curler. Are you supposed to use this on falsies or like on your lash? Okay, and then here's the diamond. Packaging is absolutely beautiful. If you are a pink, whoa, but I did not drop it. And then here goes the lashes. She has a couple of different styles. This is just the one that she sent to me. I think she also has dramatic ones and long ones too. So just make sure you go and check out the website to order whichever kind suits your face best, whichever kind is more of your vibe and your style. Last two small female black owned beauty businesses I want to recognize and recommend. One of them is Inspired by Sierra. I've been wearing her jewelry since I believe summertime. It's really good quality. She has a bunch of silver pieces, a bunch of gold pieces, but it also has more than jewelry. So it has necklaces, just came out with earrings, the butterfly earrings, to die for. I'm definitely adding to cart. She has incense, she has sage sticks, she has crystals, ankle bracelets, and so much more. You guys should definitely go check her out. I'm gonna leave her Instagram right here, but definitely go check out her website and order some. The prices are I have a code for Inspired by Sierra, which I believe is this. This is the code. This is the code. I really believe in supporting small businesses because it's like you get luxury on a budget and it's just like a match made in heaven. The other brand is Camilles. I met Miss Camille at an influencer event actually last year, and her brand is really cute and very good quality as well. I actually have an Instagram reel on it. Definitely go check out her Instagram. Camilles has stuff like mascara, lip glosses, lashes, eyeliner, lip liner. I just want to say, like, seriously, all of the small brand packages are so dope. Like, you wouldn't even think it's a small brand. I love how fat the tube is. This is so volumizing. And now I can pair this with my Naive Beauty lash curler. Oh, yes. I don't know about y'all, but I'm gonna be looking cute winter 2020, okay? Catch me on the gram, not in these streets. Okay. Some of the lip glosses she has, these colors are beautiful and amazing, but this lip gloss has actually gold flakes in it. See, when I tell you, Black women, she honestly had you in mind when making this product. I just feel rich putting it on my lips. And if you go and you make a purchase, tell them Amy sent you, okay? Feel free to leave a comment down below telling me your small business if you have a business. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy. And I'll see you in my next video. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm so tired now that I'm getting like loopy. Bye.
If you're riding, I'm dying. I promise you won't